Yo, what's up? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have your model kit from Kotobukiya, and this is your Solidea, which came from the computer game or video game Starwing Paradox, and I bought it from Big Boys Toys for about 4,895 pesos, and this is the price tag here. You can see. And I think this is a bit rare kit nowadays because I cannot see this in HobbyLink Japan and even in Mandarake.com, and this is already discontinued from HobbyLink. That's why when I saw it from Big Boys Toys, I bought it. And thank you, Big Boys Toys, for reserving this kit to me. I emailed them that I need to reserve this kit, and they immediately reserved it. And when I came back from their store, it's still available, and I bought it immediately. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Solidea from Kotobukiya will offer us collectors. Found beer and loose kits. Solidea from Kotobukiya, and I really like the color combinations and the color representation here, and the box art is very cool in the eyes. Napakalamig sa mata tingnan. It looks like a bubblegum ice cream and ube cake colored skin here. Got this baby blue here with purple and pink and some they call this violet colored shades here, and with black and some yellow, and I really like the pink and purple combination. It looks really like sweet and cool in the eyes. Para siyang pagkain tingnan. Ganda-ganda. And yes, this is from your Starwing Paradox, and this is from computer game. Yep, it's 2018 and 2020 Square Enix, and it's made by Sunrise computer game. And of course, this is Kotobukiya, designed by Hajime Kusui and Yasunori Shimizu. And yes, I bought it from Big Boys Toys at 4,895. Okay, let's go with the side of the box. You can see the front view and rear view of the kit, which is very nice. Actually, the silhouette of this kit looks like mobile suits from The Witch from Mercury. So I bought it immediately when I saw the design. It really looks like Witch from Mercury kits. And there's a nice weapon here. The rifle can be turned into the sight. It looks like a dead sight thing. And the effects are blue flame effects, which is very unique. And there we can see the gun or the weapon can turn into a rifle also. So rifle and sight, which is very deadly combination. So like this, from sight to rifle. So it says here L trigger type and R trigger type if it's on the gun mode. And the other side of the box here, we can see the actual Solidea build, straight build. But still, it looks nice. There's purple, but sad to say there's no pink colored, which is a bit frustrating, but it's nice. The design is really beautiful to me. Okay, so if you open the box here, we can see yep, the packs here. So we got the instruction manual into a plastic pack. So later on we'll go with that. So there we got the first pack for, yep, we got the hands. So it has 4-fingered hand, and we got sharp nails for that. It's like claw. And there we got some pinkish colored parts there. Very nice. Then we got second pack here for the white parts. This is for, I think, the booster binder on the back. Got gray parts for the inner frame. Inner frame parts. Got this clear blue effect parts, which is very nice. And there, the flame is really cool. It looks like the flame effect of Ray Earth from the Modoroid Magic Knight Raider. And there we got clear blue parts for some accents. Then we got purple parts here for armor pieces, purple parts and gray parts for armor pieces. Then we got gun parts and back parts. And here we got the gun parts. Then another set of clear blue parts here. And yes, we got some, I think this one for the action base stand parts. We got polycaps, and we got pre-painted part for the face of Solidea. Then we got parts for the action base, this traditional action base for Kotobukiya, which is very nice. And we got this water slide decals. One thing I noticed here is I got cockroach egg included. Oh my god, the heck. So let's go with the instruction manual of Solidea. Here we got this very nicely pictured Solidea here, but I'm just a bit frustrated because there are less pink colored parts for this one. And yep, if you open the manual here, you can see a card like this, and of course Kotobukiya's statement of account voucher. Then we got here the Solidea picture here with its pilot Hickory, and there you can see black and white print out for this manual. There you can see the parts list, and there, judging the way how this parts building sequence, this is not that hard. This is somehow intermediate model kit build, or intermediate process for modelers. Okay, so go with the after the instruction manual, we go with the parts or runner review as always. So we got this clear blue runners for runner I, and I find that the plastic here is a bit rubbery. Yep. So this is not your typical brittle Kotobukiya plastic. This is a bit rubbery, which is feels nice as well. Also, we got this flame effect part. It's like a pearlescent clear blue effect here, and this is your runner H. We got this only pink runner here for runner K, and also the plastic here feels a bit hard and rubberish, something like that. And we got here purplish gray runner for the inner frame and hands. We got runner D here. We got this violet runners, runner G and another runner G. So we got two sets of runner G here. Then for this purplish gray runners, we got runner E and another runner E. So we got two sets of runner E here. Then we got this violet runner again for the head, I think. This is runner F. Then we got runner J. And for the guns and backpack, I think this is your runner C. Got here runner C. And for the white parts, we got runner A and two sets of runner B for the backpack parts. Then I didn't open this yet to avoid missing these pieces, these small pieces here, especially for the face and polycaps, and this one for the action base stand. And so thank you very much. And by the way, I almost forgot, we got this action base stand and this or slide decals. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing of Solidea by Kotobukiya, and see you next time on the review of this kit after I build it. Okay, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying God bless, goodbye, take care, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat. Auf Wiedersehen.